Hey, what's up, guys? It's Team Hard Life Captain Albert Sartucci, and got an update on the drawing. We've got 6 tickets left on the $20 drawing. So more than likely, we're going to hold a live feed probably, I want to say tomorrow, but I can't be here tomorrow. So we'll set it up for Monday at 6 o'clock. All right. I'm going to go live at 6, but I'm going to delay a little bit to give everybody a chance to come in. So, we'll see. Maybe we can get about 6:30, 6, something like that. So be ready at 6 o'clock. Start chiming in live. Maybe I can do a question and answer for a little bit and show the rods again and stuff like that. Hopefully we'll have the $30 tickets sold as well. I think we only have 17 of those left. Those are going fast too, guys. And again, it's for a Virgin 552 Harrington. And this one's the wrap right there. Everything's immaculate on it. It's never even had a reel seated on it. Still the original tapes from when they told them what they wanted on it and stuff like that. So, yes, it's very, very beautiful. Awesome. So, I also got Fishing Tackle in. With everything that we got going on and us supplying other tackle shops with our gear, for things that we run out of. And right now, it's the brass eyelets. Yes, brass eyelets. Itty bitty things that are a major thorn in your side if you don't have them. Check them out.
Gotta buy. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Alright, so the box is already open. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we've got a size 1 brass eyelet right here, and it's a 1 pound bag. About 1,100 of the brass eyelets come in there per bag. We got a size 2, and about 880 of them come in here. Two. 2. Yep, that's a lot of work right there, guys. I guess we didn't get the other one I was looking for. I also ordered some swivels. Then I guess that includes. So we got 5 pounds of the size 1, and then we got 12 pounds. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 pounds of the size 2 brass eyelets. Yeah, we got a lot of work. That's a lot of brass eyelets right there. Mm-hmm.